In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add folder to favorites on Microsoft on Windows 11 Edge, updated 2026 full guide. If you use Microsoft Edge every day, creating a folder in favorites is one of the easiest ways to keep your most visited sites organized. Instead of a long, cluttered list, you can group related pages together, work tools in one place, school resources in another, and personal reading in a third. Let's walk through the exact process from start to finish so you can set this up in just a minute. First, open Microsoft Edge on your Windows 11 computer. Make sure the Edge window is active on your screen so the next shortcut goes to the right place. With Edge open, press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on your keyboard. This opens the Favorites page, which is the central spot for managing everything you've saved. You'll see your favorites list, including any existing folders like the Favorites bar and other favorites. Think of this page as your filing cabinet for the web. Next, look for the three dots menu within the Favorites page. It's typically located near the upper right corner of the Favorites pane. This menu contains actions specifically for managing favorites, so it's the right place to create a new folder. From that menu, choose Create New Folder. Edge will prompt you to set up the folder details. This is where a little planning helps. Give your folder a clear, memorable name, something like Work, Travel, Research, or Recipes. If it helps you visually, you can include a short, meaningful emoji, but keep the name short so it's easy to spot later. Depending on your layout, you may also see where the folder will live, on the Favorites bar or in other favorites. Pick the location that matches how you browse. The Favorites bar is great for items you want one click away under the address bar, while other favorites keeps things tidy but available from the menu. Once you've named it, click Save. Your new folder is now created and ready to hold your links. You'll see it immediately in the Favorites list, and if you placed it on the Favorites bar, it should appear beneath the address bar for quick access. From here, you can start saving pages into that folder anytime you add a favorite. That's all it takes. Open Edge, press Ctrl plus Shift plus O, open the three dots menu, select Create New Folder, name it, and click Save. With this simple setup, staying organized in Microsoft Edge becomes effortless, and you'll spend less time hunting for the pages you use most.